Let me turn this music off. Hey y'all, so today is Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. It's Malik with Jante, and ladies and gentlemen, we are going to a lovely event that my Sans is throwing. She is doing a like vision board party tour, so she's going to different cities in Ohio and doing vision board party so that people can focus on their dreams, focus on their aspirations, and making sure people are actually writing it down, because a lot of times if you don't write it down, honey, it will not get done. So we are doing that today. I just pulled up. I got lost. First off, let's talk about that. Got lost, but we're here now. I think I'm late. So the Facebook thing says 3, but my ticket said 4. And it's 4:24. So let's get in here, y'all. Let's get it, and let's get it popping. Look at you. Yes. Come on, vision board. Good. Yes. Get me together. Hi. Oh, I haven't seen you in so long. This is so crazy. I'm here though. Let's do this.
Okay, so look, we're going up on all levels.
Okay, yes,
Not
we
just
are.
one area of life. So
Yes.
because we got little time, I'm gonna just jump right to it.
Okay.
So in order for me, I feel like in order to maintain wellness as you grow up, you
Yes.
have to attend to all areas of your life.
I agree.
Because typically, if you're just working, you get real resentful because you're not using your creative side. You're not. You know, it's a lot going on. You got a lot of ideas to not tap into it.
This is true.
Right. So I want you to go through here before you even get to the vision board and cutting out magazines.
Okay.
What are you gonna put on it? What are all the different goals you have for the different areas of your life? At least one for each area. Don't limit yourself. Don't question yourself.
Okay, all right. So
None of that. It's in your bag.
I guess I should have opened my gift. Should have opened my gift.
Right, open your gift. Yes.
Oh,
It's a little card in there from me to you. So then, before you get there, this is some homework. Yeah, you definitely got homework because I'm one of them people. So, there's a lot of things that'll come and try to take you off this path.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Try to keep you from vlogging.
Yes.
Living your best life.
Okay.
Okay? Whether it's fear, lack of views, whatever we feel like the expectations should be that we're not reaching.
Okay.
People, whatever. So I created a little homework sheet to help you figure out what do you need to do to get you here.
Okay.
First, are there some habits you need to unlearn?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
What do you need to learn instead? Right? What skills do you need? Whether it's editing, whether it's whatever. Whether it's networking, whether it's business, finances, all of that stuff. What do you need to take it to the next level? And I would take this one step further and say how and who can help you get these skills.
Okay.
This notebook. Jot some stuff down, girl. So then, people,
I thought
we
this
got
was the
more.
same thing.
We got more. Nope. So eventually I'm going to create a whole glow up workbook.
Okay.
But this is the start of it.
I like it.
Who negatively influences you? It doesn't even have to be necessarily a bad person. It can be somebody who just distracts you or keeps some of these old habits around for you.
Okay.
Right? And who positively influences you that you need to be around more? Maybe it's someone who keeps you on your toes. Who stay checking in, like, have you made your video yet? You took it to your schedule? Whatever.
Okay.
And who can hold you accountable? And how.
Okay.
And this is really important because there are different levels of accountability. You got public accountability.
Yes.
Like, I wanted to cancel this. I can't cancel this. Everybody knows. Like, you got questions. Whether it's FaceTime, calls, emails, what do you need? And we all need something different.
Okay.
From different people. So this is just homework.
Okay, these are homework. This I need to do before I do my vision board.
Yes.
I got
At
it.
least one.
Oh, girl, I got this down. I don't know. I had this little moment with myself.
Yes. I'm sorry. There you go. There's magazines all up there, all around here.
Perfect.
Please.
Is there any more Michael B. Jordans?
There might be.
He was some here and there's one up there.
There is some Michael. Why everybody want Michael B?
He's beautiful.
No, it's another one with Tessa on the cover.
I think that one's still up there.
All up there. Yes.
Okay.
Do your thing.
Family.
I'm about to look at this for a second because honestly I didn't. Take your time. Take your time. Go ahead.
So,
presentation.
this is my vision board. Okay, so I'm gonna start at. I'll start over here. This is the travel section, I think. Yeah. Well, travel location, because I like to travel, so I'm gonna go to like more new places this year, not just like the same places, that we always go. Same
boring.
Yeah.
What else? Well, picture of Russell and Sierra, some like roses. That's just like, opening up to people and like being accepting to love. And then this up here, I will manifest the checking account I was meant to have.
Okay.
Alright. So this is my vision board. I'll start with Travis. Really big fan of Travis. I actually know it's how I feel about Black Boy Joy. So I really love when like males are able to express themselves positively, like through music, through fashion, whatever, just having a good time, kind of taking life one day at a time and
Yes.
being serious. I'll put LeBron on there. He's an idol for me as far as just how to move through hate, you know what I mean? Kind of balance, kind of the balancing act of greatness and expectations, kind of giving back to your community as far as, the school that he made in Cleveland. And also kind of learning a lot from him about loyalty and like the business aspect of life, taking care of yourself, even though other people might not appreciate it or understand it. But kind of doing what's right for you and your family, even though it's not the popular decision.
Popular is not always right.
Right. Yeah, weekend getaway. I do like to travel a lot. It's okay to be weird. Along with the Black Boy Joy, I think it's really cool to be yourself. Normal is an illusion, so it's cool to be yourself.
You better give me a word.
Right?
Normal is an illusion. Gotta write that one down.
So why wait, right? Like life really isn't promised, you know what I mean? As far as getting your goals started, even it could be the smallest thing in the world. So, just kind of why wait, nothing really is promised. Soar while you're ahead, kind of never getting settled, never letting complacency sink in. All about the goals, right? So kind of staying motivated. Begin with passion. I do a lot of work with youth. So a lot of times I have to remind myself why I got started, why I did this, why I did that. Just kind of for the day that is not always fun or motivating or inspirational, whatever the case may be. Just kind of remembering why I started. There's a quote over here that says, "You go deeper and it gets darker until you find yourself in the shadows." I think it's just about, just overcoming obstacles, like just toughness and resiliency in life that I think I've shown. Down here it says, "My body is half human and something else, something I'm in awe of, capable of doing anything I wanted to do." Just kind of just showing, the process that I've made, I guess, physically and mentally through life, as far as getting better health mentally, better health physically, things like that. The power of confidence. Just a reminder of how far I've come as far as confidence and all that kind of stuff. Even from like middle school when I never ever would have came something like this.
So they gonna really interrupt us while we trying to be inspirational.
Right, we know y'all closing.
They be alright.
Please. Call for a ride. Please do so now. Thank you.
You gotta call a ride, get your ride, and tell you to come outside.
Because we got places to be.
Right. So then, like, moving the culture forward is kind of the reason why I got started doing a lot of work with youth, is just so I could be something that I needed in someone else's life. So it's kind of moving the culture forward. The nonprofit I'm helping start it is called Sankofa, which means you have to know where you've been in order to know where you're going. So it's kind of moving the culture forward, kind of looking back to where I was and what I needed, and kind of giving that back to the community.
Okay, guys, so yeah, I forgot to end this vlog. Like, totally forgot. But overall, I think it's definitely positive. It's definitely important to keep certain people around your life so that you're always willing to grow, step out of your comfort zone, know who you are at the moment, know where you're trying to be in the future, and continue to reach for those goals. And I think this event was something that definitely will continue to spark that creativity in your heart. That event really was uplifting. It was amazing. Like, I enjoy being in the room with like-minded individuals who know that where we are in the world, we have so much more to grow. We have so much more to do. And in order to do it, we have to come together and be better. So this event was definitely amazing. If you have events like this in your area, I would suggest just stepping out, going ahead and just signing up and going and meeting new people, meeting new opportunities, and just collaborating with different people, because it's only going to make things better. We have to join together, and it's not just like a black and white situation. We can all be together and be great. We just have to uplift one another. But I will put the information down below for Ashley. She is a social worker, or she's definitely somebody who's just trying to heal the community, which is something that I think we need, especially in this day and age. But I'm going to put her information down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all social networks: Instagram, Maliqua Jante; Twitter, Maliqua Jante; Facebook, Maliqua Jante. Everything is Maliqua Jante. And I will see you all in the next video.
If I tell you, say I love you, oh, my money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, yo.